Are you still calculating salaries and bonuses manually in Excel? Watch how Python does this in seconds. Today on Naga Automates, I will show you how to read data, calculate salaries, and generate Excel reports using Python in just 10 lines of code. First, install required libraries. Pip install Pandas. Pip install Open PyExcel. Let's start. I am importing the Pandas library and naming it as PD. Pandas is mainly used for working with Excel like data. Here I am creating some sample employee data. You can imagine this data coming from a CSV or Excel file. We have employee names, their department, salary, and bonus percentage. Next, I am converting this raw data into a Pandas data frame. This is where automation actually starts. Instead of manually calculating bonus for each employee, I am letting Python do it automatically. I calculate the bonus amount by multiplying salary with bonus percent. Then I calculate total pay by adding salary and bonus. After that, I filter the data and show only IT department employees. This is very useful when you work with large company data. Finally, I save everything into a real Excel file. Now save it. Run the script. Done. Here is our salary report Excel file. Everything is calculated and formatted perfectly. Stop wasting time on spreadsheets. Let Python do the work.